Today, we're diving into the MUSETEX PC case, a sleek, feature-packed mid-tower ATX case designed for gamers and PC enthusiasts who crave both style and performance. With its full-view dual-tempered glass panels, 6 pre-installed PWM ARGB fans, and a modern Type-C port, this case promises to be a standout choice for anyone building or upgrading their rig. But does it live up to the hype? Let's break it down. Right off the bat, the MUSETEX K2 grabs attention with its striking design. The dual-tempered glass panels offer a panoramic view of your components, making it perfect for showcasing RGB-lit builds. The 6 pre-installed PWM ARGB fans are a game-changer. They not only keep your system cool, but also sync with your motherboard for customizable lighting effects. No need to buy extra fans or worry about airflow. MUSETEX has you covered. The inclusion of a USB Type-C port on the front I/O panel is another win, future-proofing your setup for modern peripherals. Cable management is a breeze thanks to the spacious interior and thoughtful routing options, and the tool-free design makes installation hassle-free. In real-world use, this case shines. The airflow is excellent thanks to the 6 fans, and temperatures stay consistently low even during intense gaming sessions. The tempered glass feels premium and sturdy, though it's worth handling with care during assembly. The ARGB lighting is vibrant and easily customizable via your motherboard's software, adding a personalized touch. However, there are a few trade-offs. The case is a bit heavier than some competitors, which might be a consideration if portability matters to you. Also, while the fan noise is manageable, it can get noticeable under heavy loads, though this is common with high airflow setups. Compared to similar cases like the Lianli Lancool 2 or the Fantex Eclipse P400A, the MUSETEX K2 holds its own. It offers more pre-installed fans than most competitors at this price point, saving you money and effort. The Type-C port is a nice touch that some rivals lack, and the full-view glass panels give it an edge in aesthetics. That said, brands like Lianli and Fantex might offer slightly better build quality or more refined cable management solutions, but often at a higher cost. To get the most out of this case, pair it with an ARGB-compatible motherboard to fully control the lighting. Consider adding a liquid cooler for even better thermals, and take advantage of the ample space to organize cables neatly for a clean build. If noise is a concern, adjusting the fan curves in your BIOS can help strike a balance between cooling and acoustics. Overall, the MUSETEX K2 is a fantastic choice for gamers and builders who want a visually stunning high-performance case without breaking the bank. It's ideal for those who appreciate ready-to-go RGB and robust airflow, but don't mind a bit of extra weight. If you're looking for a mid-tower that combines style, functionality, and value, this one deserves a spot on your shortlist. Thanks for tuning in, and happy